In a small village, there lived a little boy named Ravi. He was a cheerful and playful child, but he had one little weakness: he loved sweets and nuts more than anything else. His grandmother always kept a jar full of nuts in the kitchen, and Ravi would often stare at it, wishing he could eat as many as he wanted. One day, when his grandmother was busy, Ravi sneaked into the kitchen. His eyes lit up when he saw the big glass jar filled with crunchy almonds, cashews, and pistachios. Unable to resist, he quickly lifted the lid and slipped his small hand inside the jar. Since his hand was tiny, it slid in easily. Ravi grabbed a big handful of nuts, as many as his little fingers could hold. But when he tried to pull his hand out, he couldn't. The neck of the jar was too narrow, and his fist, full of nuts, was stuck inside. Ravi pulled and pulled, but the harder he tried, the more stuck his hand became. He began to panic. "Oh no! What do I do now?" he thought. His eyes filled with tears, and he started crying loudly. Hearing his cries, his grandmother rushed in. She saw Ravi struggling with the jar and gently asked, "What happened, my dear?" Between his sobs, Ravi pointed to his trapped hand and said, "Grandma, my hand is stuck. I can't take it out." His grandmother smiled knowingly and asked, "Are you holding something inside?" Ravi nodded. "Yes, Grandma. I took a big handful of nuts, but now my hand won't come out." His grandmother chuckled and said, "Oh, my dear child. The jar is not holding your hand, your own greed is. Let go of some nuts, and you will be free." Ravi was hesitant. He didn't want to leave any nuts behind. But he was tired of struggling, so he slowly opened his fingers and let some nuts fall back into the jar. As soon as he did, his hand slipped out easily. He looked at his grandmother in surprise. His grandmother lovingly patted his head and said, "Greed will only trap you, Ravi. But if you take only what you need, you will always be happy and free." Ravi smiled and realized his mistake. From that day on, he always remembered to take only what was necessary and never let greed get the better of him. Moral of the story: greed can trap us, while contentment brings happiness. We should take only what we need, not more. Letting go of excess makes life easier.